My name is Vikrant and I'm your Flipkart Tech Pro. Realme has launched the much-awaited Realme7 series smartphones recently and we can hear people going gaga about them. Let's see what the hype is all about and take a look at all that Realme7 has to offer. The 64-megapixel quad camera of the Realme7 is mighty impressive. It also has UIS Max video stabilization, 4K video recording and special night filters. The sensor of the camera is very critical in delivering the right image output, and in this case, the Sony sensor gives superior clarity and stunning detail to the images. The large sensor also ensures that the images are bright even when clicked under poor lighting conditions. Realme 7 is the first smartphone to be powered by the Helio G95 processor. The gaming performance here is too good. As you can see, you can play any high-performance game without any lag or glitches for a long time in the Realme 7. Realme 7 offers crisp and bright visuals with its 6.5-inch FHD Plus display, and it offers perfect video viewing experience. On top of it, the visuals are super smooth thanks to the 90Hz display refresh rate, which gives you more frames on the screen per second. The 5000 mAh battery which powers the Realme 7 ensures that you don't have to charge your phone often. But even when you must, you can charge your battery to 50% of its strength in just 26 minutes thanks to the 30 watts fast charging. We have another winner on our hands here. Realme 7 is a great all-rounder. It's got a brilliant camera, it offers superior gaming performance and a top-notch display. Also, the phone looks beautiful thanks to its sleek mirror design. If you're looking for an all-rounder smartphone at this price point, then Realme 7 may be the phone that you were looking for. Here's a tip for the purchase of your next phone. Do check out Flipkart's complete mobile protection program that takes care of any damage to your phone at minimal price. You could also check out the hassle-free exchange policy, which will give you maximum value for your current smartphone. Well, that's it from me, Vikrant, your Flipkart Tech Pro. Hope I could help you in your search for a new smartphone.